Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear
Yeah, I
you.
can
The
hear
other
you.
person
The other
system
person's system
You said?
is waiting for
is waiting
permission.
for permission.
That's just
Oh, okay. We should go ahead, right?
no. I
No, no,
mean
no. I mean the
system.
other system.
You are
And we
not
should hold
They
on
are
to
granting
not
the other
granting
person.
the other person access to
the other
login.
person access to
I
login
didn't get
to
I
that.
said
join the
the
meeting.
person is
I
looking
said
for
the other
access to
person is
join the
looking for
meeting.
access to join the meeting.
Yes, you can send the link to the other person to join.
What I'm
What
saying,
I'm
the
saying, the
person has
person has
pressed the
pressed the
link,
link
but the
for
person
the
has not been permitted
I
to
didn't hear
join.
you. Please be louder, please. I'm not using here. Okay, let me check.
the
Maybe
other
I'm
The
using.
person
other person
Okay, I'm
has
listening.
pressed the
has
link
pressed the link
for
but
access.
waiting for access.
Oh, okay. It's the direct access. The person should just click on the link because I'm seeing only you here, only front desk. So the person should just use the link to join. It's a direct. You should use this very one. Let me what the.
Yeah, the person is here now.
Yeah, the person is here now.
Oh, okay. 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 Just give me a minute. Let me. So are we all set now? Hello.
Yes, we are ready. We are ready to proceed.
Okay.
We are set.
Yes, we are.
Okay. So good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Okay. So the purpose of the training is just to get you familiar with the usage of the software. I don't know if you have used the software before. Do you have any advanced knowledge of the software before?
No, not at all.
Okay. That means I have to start.
Not at all. Not at all.
Okay. That means I have to start from the beginning.
I said no, no, no. No idea.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. No problem. I have to start from the beginning. So now I will be sharing my screen now. So let's wait for it to load. So now, this is the software. I believe you must have gone through it to see what the Outlook is like. So here we have the software. We have the menu bar at the top side here. Then here we have navigation bar, and here we have the Windows screen. So to perform any task, you can either use this Windows screen or this navigation bar or the top menu bar here. I believe you get that. Now, in your own case, to make sales, just come here, click on create sales receipt. Then you look for your own receipt format here, MB interior receipt. You select the customer's name, select the bank they paid to. So those are the three basic things you do first. Then after that, you select the date. Assuming the sales is going to be today, you select the date.
Sorry, I can't see your screen.
Okay, you can't see it. Let me check again. How about now? Can you see it now? Hello? 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 Okay, okay.
Sir, you
Hello?
can see the screen. Hello?
You can see it now. Can you see the screen now?
Hello?
Hello, I can hear you.
Hello,
I
sir.
can hear you from my own side. Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
You can see the screen now. You can see the screen.
Okay,
We
so
were
I
not
should go
hearing
ahead, right? Should I
you.
go
Yeah, you can
ahead?
go ahead. Yes.
All right.
Yes, please.
So let me come again. What about now? Can you still see it?
Yes, we can see and we can hear.
Oh, okay. Good. So let me close this. So now, like I was saying, this is the window, this is the outlook of the software. At the top side here, we have menu bars, which you can use to perform some of your bookkeeping and accounting tasks. Then here we have your navigation bar on the left side here, which is an alternative way to access those menus that you
Sorry,
are
hold on.
used.
When you say bookkeeping, what do you mean by the
Bookkeeping.
bookkeeping? Mm.
Bookkeeping is just like a way of bookkeeping is a part of an integral part of accounting.
I totally understand. So, what would we categorize as bookkeeping in a layman's language?
Bookkeeping. We are not. I'm not teaching anything about bookkeeping now. Do you understand? What I'm teaching you is how to use this software. Do you
For the
understand now?
bookkeeping, that's what I'm trying to say.
Mm. Bookkeeping is an aspect of accounting on its own. It's all about you recording your accounting transaction, your business transactions, and all that. So I'm not defining it. I'm not teaching accounting. I'm just teaching
Yes.
how to
So
use the
sorry.
software to achieve your bookkeeping or record keeping tasks. Do you understand?
So sorry for
So
interrupting. I guess what she's asking is that how can we use the software for bookkeeping?
for
How do
bookkeeping,
yes.
if you want to engage me for that, it's a special this thing on its own. No. That's why that's why I clearly told you that I'm not teaching bookkeeping. Do you understand? I'm not
All right,
teaching bookkeeping. I only sold this software to
We
the
are not
guy.
saying you should teach bookkeeping, just in a
Mm,
layman's language, what the bookkeeping
Okay,
on
don't
the
let me use the
website,
word bookkeeping.
on the software is meant.
Okay, let me explain to you. Don't let me mention bookkeeping. You need a point of sale software. Sale software is not for bookkeeping. Do you understand? But to achieve a dual purpose, during my discussion with the person that engaged me for this, I advised him that okay, you can use another software that can perform both your point of sales task and at the same time help you to manage your accounting. Do you understand? That's why I mentioned bookkeeping here. You understand? Do you understand now? So otherwise, I don't even need to mention anything
Don't need that charger. That one is
that
charged.
relates to bookkeeping. Do you understand?
All right, that's okay.
I hear. So for your point of sales, your sales tasks, you can either use any of these or maybe for your bookkeeping also or your accounting or whatever. Do you understand? Because this is a comprehensive accounting software, not just point of. We only customize it to perform that point of sales function, and at the same time, for you to enable you achieve your accounting task in case you need it. You know, so if you now need me to teach maybe accounting or a broader way of using it for accounting, keep your assets and all that, payroll and so on, then you can let me. So now, okay, can you see the screen, please?
Yes, yes, please.
Good. So now, like I said, you can use the top menu, the navigation bar, or the window screen to achieve your uh, record keeping tasks. So now, in your own case now, because we are actually customizing this for point of sales, so we are going to be making use of this particular button more for making sales, create sales receipts. But before we use that, normally before you sell, you must have an item that you want to sell, either your goods or your services. And that needs to be created before you can sell the items, either a physical product or a service item. So to create a service item, you come here, you click on item and services. As you can see, I've brought in some of your items here. Assuming you want to create new item, just right click here and select new. Just give me one of your service items that you do. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Let
Yeah,
me
for
go
service
inside.
items.
Bring that
Can you hear
Wi-Fi.
me?
Conversation.
Can you hear me? Are you there?
Yes, we are here now.
Okay, yeah.
I was moving to the office. I was
Okay,
at the reception initially. Okay.
okay. All right, no problem. So, like I said earlier, you can use it to perform, to create either service item or physical products. So, give me to sell. To, I believe you were following up to this moment, this stage. So, I said to create any item, either service item or physical product. You click on item and services. Then you have two options, either to right click on the body here, select new, or click on item here and select new. So you can use either of the two options. So let's create one item. So give me one service item, one
Service
service you
item.
render. Yes, one service that you render to customers. Let's create it for you.
Um, we have a school, an academy. So we
Okay.
train. We do training.
Okay, training.
So the
Okay, let
name
me.
is yes.
Okay, so assuming you want to create that now as a revenue item,
Mm-hmm.
just come here. You can say you will select service. As you
Okay.
can see, we have options here. We have service, we have inventory parts, inventory assembly, and so on. We don't need most of this. So what we need here now is service. Once you click there, you create a code. You said training.
Mm.
Okay, let me just name it because we may have different types of
Training. Yeah, we can just use
school.
2026 January.
Okay, training 2026. Okay, school training.
No, you can just do training
Okay,
2026
good.
January 6th.
Okay, 2026. Right?
Yeah, January. Yeah, January
Okay, okay.
slash. Yeah,
01 slash 2026, right?
yes.
Is it okay like
No,
this?
no, no. I want you to write it as January,
Okay.
JAN, then slash
2026
2026. Yes.
slash 2026.
Yeah.
So now let me use, you can highlight it, copy and paste it here.
Okay.
Then now for tax, are you charging tax for that item, that service item?
No, we've already closed on it, so we can't charge tax anymore.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, the payments are
Okay,
all made until
okay.
next session.
For the purpose of the training, let's assume you are charging tax. You select
Mm,
tax. If you are not charging tax, you select non-taxable.
mm,
Do you understand? But being a school, probably, maybe, you may select non-taxable.
mm.
Okay. So the rates, let's put, let's say 500,000.
Is 390,000.
Okay, let's put 390,000. Now,
I lost you. Ayomide, please bring the Wi-Fi now.
for this, then you say, okay.
Sorry, I lost you at the point when you wanted to, um, like the point where you added the price.
The price, right? Okay.
Yes.
No, I've created it already. Now, assuming you want to edit, just click on this. You right click on the body on this window here, this
Any,
inventory window.
yeah,
Anywhere.
anything. Okay.
Anywhere there. Or if you don't want to use that, you can come here, you say item. Click on this
Okay.
item. You also have
Okay.
the same options there. Edit item. Do you understand now?
Okay. Okay.
So the error in that one is wherever you highlight is what the system will bring out for you to edit. Do you understand? So the
Which is
particular one you are
better.
editing, you click on it, right click,
Mm,
edit item. Then you come back to it. So you said you were lost at where? Where I put
yeah, when
the,
you said 390, yeah, after the 390,000.
okay, after the 390. Let me
Yeah.
cancel it out. Sorry, let me change to single user here so that I can do everything I have to do. Because if you are working on, that's another thing you need to know. Whenever you are working on inventory, make sure you always switch. to single user. This is where you switch. Let me close
Account.
this. No, file. You come to file. I'm coming. Just be watching. All these things I'm doing will be useful to you too. So now to change to single user or multi-user, click on file and click here. Can you see this?
Mm.
Switch to single user. I've switched to single user already. It's asking me whether I want to switch to multi-user now. So I'm already on single user, so I can do anything I want to do pertaining to inventory. You know, inventory
Okay, so
affects.
when you said we should go to file, after you went to file, I'm not seeing the single or no single part.
Yes, you are not seeing it because I've already switched to to single user.
Oh,
Can
okay.
you see
But
this? Can you see this now? Switch
home.
to multi-user mode.
No, I
Can you see
can't.
that? Eh, let me check. You should be able to see it.
It's only
No.
bringing home. That's the home icon. That's what we can see.
But I can see it from my own side. Okay, let me check again.
Who is there? Oh, okay.
So, are we,
Ayọ̀mídé, ṣebí kí wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ lọ bá mi gbé mọ́tò yẹn wọlé.
are we set?
Mm.
So now to change to single user because we want to work on inventory, maybe at the back end, maybe the supervisor, the manager, or anybody that wants to work at the back end, you switch to single user. But sometimes you may not need to switch. But in this case now I'm switching. So you select file. When you click on file, can you see the window that pop up that is saying switch to single user mode?
No.
Okay, it's not showing. Do you have your accounting software open from your own side? Maybe it's network.
Okay, wait, let me check. I don't even know which one. What's the icon for this? Is it QB?
QB. Can you see it?
I'm opening it now.
Okay. Okay, it's not open. Okay.
Sorry, it's loading.
Okay.
Sorry, what's the password? I don't know.
Okay. What's you can use admin password. That's MBA.
MB what?
Are you there? Hello?
Yes, I'm here. I said MB what? I don't know what the
Yes.
password is. I'm not
Okay. The
able to talk.
password is M MBH capital letter.
All of it is
Yeah.
capital letter.
Only MBH capital letter. Then OMES at 123. MB Homes at 123. Only MB and H are capital letter there. MB Homes at 123. That's for admin password.
Okay. Admin. When you mean admin, does that mean at the receptionist table?
It's see the way I configured it is that any system can open admin, and any system can open, provided the person has the password for the particular username you are using. You can use any system, any either of the two systems to log in as admin, as front desk, or as supervisor. So we have three users there. We have admin, we have supervisor, and we have the front desk. I will forward the three passwords to you. I sent it to that Mr. Clinton. What is his name? I forwarded everything to him. I don't know if I sent them to you.
No, I've not, because I told them that since I don't really know, I don't have my prizes, I was not really involved. I
Okay.
don't know, maybe I'm opening is the username Mary Blossom?
That is supervisor. Let me give you for supervisor.
Oh,
If
okay.
Mary Blossom is what is at the top, right, as user ID.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
for that Mary Blossom, let me see. I think it's also MB Homes at 26.
Oh, okay.
MBH will be capital letter. Um, Tayo, where is the key? Where is the key now? Yeah, you said what? Come here.
Hello?
Okay, are we
Yeah,
together?
yes.
Hello. Is it opened now?
It's
Mulosino
still
Yara.
okay, it's still loading.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
No, I wasn't talking to you. I'm on the phone. Let me just mute it. No problem now. Send me the account number. Okay, I'm with you now.
Okay, you are true now. Okay, good. It's opened, right? So now go to file at the top left hand side.
I
File.
really don't understand this thing.
You don't, you will see
I
file there. Look
I'm
at the
coming.
screen. So when you
Okay.
click on file, you will see options. New company, blah, 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 blah. Then come to the middle, you will see switch to single user mode or multi-user mode. It's either of the two.
Is it supposed to be blank and then I'm seeing the file?
No, when you click on
Mm.
file menu at that top menu side. File is the first one that you will see there.
I don't know what. Ayomide, can you hear me? Please come to my office. I don't understand what's going on with this laptop.
So after file, you see edit.
Let me put it at the QB. I don't know why it's told. Like, is this not it?
No, this is the software.
Oh, it's not this one, Abby.
This is the software.
Mm-hmm.
You see
But where is the Kenny? Maybe Chrome has a join. Maybe Kenny. Meeting then what is that?
Mm-hmm. No. Is that this thing I wanted to go to? You
Open. If you open it,
see.
you know the password. I don't know how to create account.
No, I think I've already put the password.
Uh,
when you put the password, you click OK for it to open.
what's the password?
I've forgotten what it told me. We'll send it to us again.
MBH
No, it's okay. I've gotten it. He's trying to confirm, and I said you will send it to us again as message.
Okay.
So this thing is opened now. So you're saying I should go to
Go to file. Click on file.
file. Please let me pass water. File.
Are you there?
Yeah. Quick book. I don't understand. Come. Let's just do it together on this laptop. Oh. Um.
Need to notice sheet.
Should the door is closed.
So, yeah. So, come back there. Yeah. So, accountant.
Close it first.
So, you better have my thing.
Okay. So now I'm seeing file. I'm seeing edit. I'm seeing view list. So
Okay,
go
click on
through.
file.
I can't not share screen.
It's okay. Let's just. Well, how will you be seeing what he's doing? Okay, so it's saying new company from existing
You
company.
will not be going to those ones in order not to
Oh,
scatter everything. You understand? So
I know.
the only one and only one that you need to,
Mm,
whenever you want to work on item and
mm.
services that require you to switch to single user mode. So you click on switch to single user mode, but don't click on that now because you're
Okay,
already
yeah,
on
I
multi-user
can see
mode.
because now, yeah, so it's saying switch to multi-user, but I totally understand. Yeah.
Okay.
That we have to switch to multi-user now because we're currently on single, not so.
He said he is using it for the explanation.
Okay.
So I can see the part where we can switch to single. So we should always switch to single users where we want to
Work on items
do
and services.
editing.
It depends when the system prompts you to do that as the supervisor or the manager. It's
Mm,
not everybody, it depends on the access level. Do you understand?
mm,
Some people, yes, some users do not have the access right to be able to do that. So it depends on
okay.
how you structure the system.
Okay. Sorry, I'm
It
sending it
depends on
now.
your
I was
it depends on your control system. I have done the basic ones. So if you now want me to help you to reconfigure it such that there will be control and all that, then let me know later after the training. Do you
okay.
understand now? So now, so now let's go back to the.
Èmi dì máa nà báyìí sọ èmi náà máa wọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n kí ni wọ́n máa gbé wa dáadáa.
So are we together?
Mm,
I should go ahead. So let's now go to back to item and services.
That's my okay, not to be bad. Item and services.
So let me change to single user now to enable me perform the necessary tasks on inventory.
that's what he was saying. That he said I should shut up.
No, Grandma okay.
Leave me alone, Joe.
Sorry, sir. Just a quick question. Sorry for drawing us back. I just can hear
Okay,
me.
I can
Yeah.
hear you.
So what's the function of the single user and the multiple user interface?
You really don't need it. We use it for configuration. But
Okay,
the
so
reason
so
why users, you as a
okay,
user, the reason why you may need it, and it depends on the user, it's only
okay,
the people, the maybe the manager, supervisor, or the people in charge of inventory that
okay.
need it. Most
All right.
companies have control system whereby not everybody can access or can work on inventory, either to modify.
That's what I want. I want it to be only me that'll be able to work on the inventory. I mean, I want it to be only me that'll be able to change prices and add prices.
They will have to hold on. When you are
Okay.
through with the modification or setting up of certain inventory items, then you now switch back to multi-users so that they can now access the software for use. Do you understand now? So now,
Mm,
in my own case here, for this one that we are using for the training, I have switched back to single user so that I can work on invent item and services. So I've clicked
mm,
on it now. I'm going back to training January 2026. I want to edit it. So you right click, edit item. Do you understand the reason now why we need to do that? Why that kind of control is in place, so that there will be no situation whereby anybody just go there and change, modify the company's inventory item. So now let me close this. Assuming I want to correct some things here, then the price too. Can you see? So the first thing is you create the item name, next the description, then after that you put the rates. The rate again, 390, right?
390, yeah.
390,000. Then for the tax, if you are not going to tax that item, you can say non-taxable. But even if you put taxable, by the time you get to creating invoice, you may decide to select non-taxable. It will still
Okay.
override the default setup. Do you understand?
Okay.
The next thing now is to select the revenue account. That
Okay.
is the ledger account where the everything you do concerning the item reports to. So just click on S, it will bring you to this, or you click on this drop down to select the sales item account, the sales account, sorry. So you select this. Are we together now? Do you get it now?
Yes.
So you now
Sorry.
click on
Mute that one
OK.
now.
You now click on OK. So let's go on to. So should we create any other item again, or we should move ahead? Hello, are you there? Hello?
Yes.
Hello? Time is going, no. Hello? I don't want this thing to cut us out before so I can finish on time. Hello? I hope it is not network. Hello? Hello?
Can you hear me?
Okay, hey, I can hear you now. What happened? Hello?
Yes, I'm here. I'm here now.
Okay, I can hear you now. What happened? The thing just went off. Maybe your internet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I think we are through with that then.
Mm-hmm.
So do you have any other inventory item to create? I believe you can create inventory item now.
But not all of it is services.
Okay, let's create
Like
one
the way
inventory.
those Bloom 101, the way they are.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay, as in how to create them, right?
Yes.
Okay, should I
And
delete one
then
of
we
them?
need to change prices of some
Okay, are
and
we are
add
we
prices to some quantity, some that does not have quantity. I think initially you didn't even have quantity at all.
yes, that's the basis of the training. How to add quantity, then how to change the price, then how to bring in inventory. That's how to add purchases.
Okay,
It's part of the training.
okay.
So now, how to create item? Give me one physical item. We have created service now, service item. So let's create one inventory item now. To create inventory item, you select new, just the way we did the other one. Then you now select inventory parts. You can see the window is different from ordinary service. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Can you hear us now?
What's going on? Oh? Is it your network or my own from my own side?
It's not network oh, because network is going. I don't know what happened.
Ah, swallow. Okay, let's continue. So just try and unmute all your microphones. I can see one of them is muted here. So that we can always communicate properly and know when there is network issue. We will know. So now let me go back. So now let me go back to how to create inventory item. So you right click on this, you select
Hello, ma.
new.
Fine, ma. Yes,
Should I
ma.
come again? Okay, oh, I hope you can hear me, Sha. I hope you can hear. To create
Yes,
item,
we can hear you.
so
Mm,
you right click on this, you select new,
mm-hmm.
then you select inventory parts, then the item name. Give me one item, any item name.
Lily
Blue.
101.
You said
Lily 101.
Lily 101. Hope it's not there before.
No, it's not. I assume it's
Okay.
not.
Okay. Lily 101. So what was the description? Just Lily 101, right?
Description in terms of size or
Some
oh
things like
okay.
that.
Oh, I don't have the details, but I will edit it. Just let's just use this for the course of the training.
Okay, okay, no problem. Lily 101, then you click on this. If you come here, you don't need sub item of and all these ones. These ones are for advanced use. Maybe later you can, if you need it, let me know. Then we incorporate it. So the cost, like how much it is being bought, just give me an
Okay.
idea per
Um,
unit.
can you open the Excel?
Just no, just any amount. It's just
I
for
just use
training.
any amount. Just use any amount.
Okay. So assuming it is sold for 20,000 to you
Mm,
as a
mm-hmm.
company, make sure this one is the cost of goods sales account is this. Do you understand? Now
It's
the
good.
price, assuming you sell it for 50,000,
I should make sure that the cost of goods sales is what?
yes, account is this 50,000. Cost of goods sold accounts. Can you see it?
Okay.
You
Is
can see
that
that
going to is it going to be determined by each item or
for
everything is
every
50?
item, for
Okay.
every item, you select this cost of goods sold account. This is 50,000. This is the
Okay. Sorry,
account code.
what does that mean? So I would understand cost of goods
Okay,
sold or
what this cost of goods sold does is this: when you are buying the item,
mm,
you have a vendor that you are buying from, and you
mm,
have the accounts that you want to use to keep the record of that thing you bought, which
mm,
is inventory account. Then you
mm,
also now have the account when you are selling it,
mm,
the portion, the cost element of that
mm,
item you are selling. You want a
mm,
particular account you want it to go to, so that when the accountant is preparing financial accounts, you'll be able to know that, okay, oh, for all the items you sold
mm,
50 or 100 million items this
mm,
month.
mm,
The total cost, as in the gross cost
mm,
for those items, that is the direct cost of buying those items, is 20
mm,
million. So we already have gross profit of 30 million. It's just for accounting purpose.
mm,
And the software we always ask for that because this is not ordinary point of sales, it's accounting software. So if you don't
mm,
put it, it will not fly. You won't be able
mm,
to create the item. So cost of goods sold accounts, always select this cost of goods sold account so that
mm,
it will not go into a wrong account.
mm,
So after putting the cost, the amount you bought it, the amount you are selling it, then the
mm,
accounts that will be responsible for keeping the cost. Then you come to tax, you select taxable sales. At least each time you want to sell, you can charge tax. If you don't
mm,
want, you select non-tax. When we get there, I will show you. Then your sales account, don't forget, everything you sold, you want to generate reports to know the total items, the total value.
mm,
So you select the sales account also. So how many accounts have we selected now? Cost of goods sold, then income account, which is the sales revenue account. Then the third
mm,
one is inventory. By default, the way it is
mm,
structured, by default, these two accounts, this cost of goods sold account, will always pop up by itself as this.
mm.
You only need to check.
For the rest, you have to select.
You said
It's always pop up as what? Sorry.
it will always, it's by default, it will always pop up by itself as
Okay.
this 50,000 cost of goods sold account. Inventory
Okay.
also is also by default is there 12,100, but it
Mm-hmm.
only says accounts most time.
I can't hear you again. No, you are. I don't know. Your this thing is on hold. What's the hang? Oh.
Account. Hello? Hello?
Yes, you are back. You went
Okay, you're
off.
back now. Okay, it's network. Okay. So, usually the cost of sales account and the asset account, the
Mm.
inventory account, they are already.
You've gone off again. No.
Always. Are we back?
Yes, you are back now.
We're back. Okay, sorry for that. I think it's from my side. A call entered.
Okay.
So now you select your cost of sales is there by default. You select this tax, then the sales account, then you click OK. So we've created that. You can see it here now. So now to hello,
Yes, we're here.
yeah, okay. So now,
Dilo, bounce me on
okay. So the next thing now is how to. You have seen how to put price, the cost price, right? So now
Mm.
let's go and edit some of them that don't have cost price and their sales price. If you are selling, you can also always change the price, but for control purpose, it's better the price are preset. So let's see how we can do that. Now let's look at some of them. Aroma diffuser. So you right click on it, click edit. So let me look for that. Aroma diffuser, control find aroma. Okay. So the cost price for that is 8,298. So here you put the price 8,298. Then the selling price 25,000. Then under sales price here you put the price 25,000. So you don't need to touch any other one. Preferred vendor, where if you like, you can put your vendor, the vendor you normally buy the item from. But that's not important. So the most important is your cost price, selling price, cost of goods sold accounts, inventory account, and your sales account. Then you click OK. I believe you got that.
Yes, but I'm particular about the quantity.
The quantity. So we should move to quantity now. You are through. We are through with this. So let me
Mm.
close this. So now we want to bring in the quantity for all of them. This is where we do that. Coming. Let me. Can you see my screen? The Excel sheet. Okay, you have the Excel sheet with you. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, you have the Excel sheet.
What
So
Excel sheet are you referring to?
I mean the one you sent to me for inventory. The Excel
Okay.
sheet you sent to me.
Mm.
Let me. I'm coming. Let me. Let me sort this first. Okay, so now let's now bring in inventory. To bring in inventory, come to inventory activity, or you come to inventory button menu here at the top here. Then you click on adjust quantity slash value on hand. Is it tedious? Hello? Hello?
Yes, I'm with you.
Okay, good.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure I'm going to remember these things because I'm not. First of all, I
I
have
will
a
send
problem with
you
the fact that.
I will send you video. I will send you the video of this training.
Okay.
All right. So I hope it will record. I've set it to recording, so I'll forward them to you. So you select quantity and total value. It's very important. Then the inventory you sent to me is as at what date? Hello?
I don't know what date it is. Oh.
No, the other person, that other person is the other, I don't know his name. It's the other person that sent it to me. I think the other guy. Is it there? Okay, he has muted. He won't.
Can you hear what he's saying, right?
Is on
He's acting on one date.
which date? I don't understand.
Why did you not reply?
I'm replying you now.
The inventory list you sent to me today, you have quantity available there. That quantity available is as at what date?
It's still the same quantity that is available now.
Okay, now, okay, let's assume today is our cutoff date, and we
The
are
new
bringing
one.
in the quantity we have available, the quantity on hand. So let's start with this. I have flannels, blanket, velvet here. Let me check if it's on the list. So assuming I want to bring in the quantity, as at you select the dates. As at, let me say yesterday, yeah, today has gone already. Maybe you have sold part of it and you want to record it. So you can use yesterday as your quantity, available quantity. So assuming as at yesterday, which is the closing balance for yesterday and opening balance for today, then you select the inventory adjustment account. Whenever you are bringing in opening balance, you select equity accounts. Opening balance equity, that is what you select. You click OK. And this is usually for accountants or the managers or supervisors. Flannels. Okay, Flannels is not there. Let me select another one. Aroma diffuser. So assuming I'm bringing in quantity for aroma diffuser, you now select new quantity. The quantity I have here is 48. So you select 48. You say new quantity 48. Quantity difference now, that's new value 398, 304. We already have the cost price there, so the system will calculate the value for you. Now this is the value, not selling price value, the cost price value. Then you select save and close or save and new. That's how to bring in quantity. I believe you got that. Hello. Sure. Like I said earlier, to bring in quantity, Come to inventory, adjust quantity and value on hand, select inventory, quantity and total value, select the closing date of that inventory, then you select opening balance equity. For item you are bringing in newly, then you select the item here. Assuming I'm bringing in quantity for aromatherapy, select new quantity, and the quantity here is 48. So then put the quantity 48. This one does not have cost price yet, so we need to clear it. Go back, go and put the cost price first. Aromatherapy. So what's the cost price? 70.22. 70.22. What's the selling price? 20,000. Then you click OK. So now let's go and bring in the quantity. Let's close this. Then you come back to inventory, adjust quantity and value on hand. Here you select quantity and total value. Here you select yesterday's, previous day's date. Select opening balance equity. Then you select the item, aromatherapy. The quantity, the closing balance quantity or new balance for today is 48. Then the system will calculate the value for you, new value, and say save and close. That is it. You have brought in the quantity. And that's how you will bring in quantity for all the other items, one after the other, based on this list you sent to me. So you have to update the cost price, the selling price, then you bring in the quantity on hand. So I believe we understand that. So what's the next thing? Hello? Okay, so the next thing now is how to add purchases. Let me quickly demonstrate that. Assuming we want to buy one of the items, come to receive inventory with bill. Assuming you are buying a new item from vendor. So give me the name of one of your vendors. The vendor is not here, you say add new. To create the vendor, another window will pop up to create the vendor. So let's put the vendor's name. Okay. Chachi, right? So you can put the address and other details if you need them. Phone number, blah, 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 mobile, email, and so on. Then you click OK. You are buying from the person today, 29. the vendor's invoice number, you can put it there. Assuming that's the vendor's invoice number, you put it there. Purchase of items, new items from Shachi. So what's the name of item that you normally buy? Let's assume you are buying this one. How many are we buying? This item, you need to update all your items. Bloom 104. Quantity, let's buy 20 pieces. The cost price is not even there. Let me check. Bloom 104. 13396. 13396. You say yes. So that is how to add purchases. You say save and close. If you want to pay that vendor, to pay the vendor, you know you have bought already from the vendor. You are owing him now. You now want to pay him. Come to pay bills. Come to pay bills. You can see the vendor here. How much are you owing the vendor? 269, 267,920. So this is it. Then the next thing is you select the dates. So the date is here already, 29. Select the mode of payments. Where are you paying from? Zenith Bank. Pay selected bills. Then do you want to print check? Blah, blah, blah. We are not doing anything. You are not paying more bills. You are not printing check. Then you say done. And that goes. If you check the vendor's account, you will see that we are not owing, because we have purchased from him and we have paid him. Can you see that? The balance owed to Chachi is what? 000. Because we have paid him. So that is how and pay your vendor. So the next thing now should be how to make sales. To make sales, come to create sales receipts. This is particularly for the front desk. You select the customer's name. Give me name of one of your customers.
Mr. Tunde.
Hello? Hello, hello?
Mr. Tunde. You're back now. We can hear you. We were talking.
Okay. So give me name
Well,
of give me name of
we said
your
Mr.
customer.
Tunde.
Okay.
Mr. Tunde. Let's say Mr. Tunde.
Oh, the name, Mr. Tunde, right? Okay, let me
Yes.
put that. So the customer's name, then you click OK. So the name is there now. Where is the person paying to? Zenith Bank. You now make sure you set, because of that setup I did, make sure you select MB interior receipts templates. If you don't select these templates, you won't be able to generate receipts. Fine, it will go into your ledger account, but it will not be able to print. So this is the template configured for create your cash sales for generating receipts. So now the receipt number will be here by default. You don't change it. You select your date. Then the person paid you cash, you select this. If the person is paying by transfer, let me create that. You can effect that in your own system. Payment method, you can say transfer, then you click order. You say okay. Let's create another one. Add new, that's point of sales. The person paid by point of sales. I want to, let's say order. Say okay. So assuming this person paid by transfer, just click on transfer. You say done. That is it. Then now, what are we selling? Let's sell this aroma diffuser. I don't know why description is not coming up. Aroma diffuser. So how many are we selling? Let's sell 5 at the rate of 25,000. If the price changes, you can always change this. It will override the default selling price. So the total quantity is this. Are we charging tax? You say yes. If you select tax here, then here now you select tax as well, VAT, before the system can calculate VAT for you. Then you now say save and close. And that is it. And that brings us to the end of the training. Is there any other thing we still need to learn here? Let me know now. Do you want to use it to keep your petty cash? Do other accounting tasks? Let me know. Then we can schedule time for that later.
All right. She will get back to you on that.
All right.
So sorry, Sam. But for the
So
last time, Sam.
you said
Yeah. Just a quick one for the last time for
the sales, I
the,
mean,
no, the sales is
is
quite
clear,
understood.
right? Okay,
Yeah,
good.
for just the updating quantity. Can
Okay,
you
to
get
update
for the
quantity.
last
Okay,
time?
good.
For the last time.
Let me go back. So to update your quantities, you already sent them to me, but to do it, come to inventory here, adjust quantity slash value on hand, select quantity and
Sorry, sir.
total
I did
value.
not get. I not get there. I not get that. I not get that. Sorry. Can we start again?
Okay, I should go back, right?
Yeah.
So to update quantity, come to inventory here at the top menu here. To get
Okay,
to
sir.
inventory, either from here or from inventory activity here, you can see it. We have adjust quantities through value on hand here. You can, through the window screen here, you can get there, or through the because it's not even preset. So if you click on customize, you add it then to the. So now let's use this inventory, adjust quantity slash quantity on hand. Then you select quantity and total value. Select the date, the previous day, Then select this account, opening balance equity, because it's a new system, new company. That is why we are using opening balance equity. Do you understand now? Otherwise, we don't have business with inventory adjustments to bring in balances. Another instance where you can come here is when you do your stock count. Are you
With you, sir.
okay? Another instance where you can come to inventory adjustments here to bring in new quantity is when you do your stock counts. Maybe some of them are damaged. Maybe you are supposed to have 40. After the stock count, you counted 35. 5 are bad. And you want to update the physical quantity, you can come here. But in that case, you will not use opening balance equity. You will use what? Cost of goods sold. That's account we use for creation of item. This account, cost of goods sold. I believe you get that.
Yes, sir.
That is if you are adjusting quantity based on the fact that some of them are stolen or some of them are damaged. But for opening balance inventory, like the one we are doing now, because it's a new company coming up, you use opening balance equity. That is the account, the cost value for those items we go to. So now we select the item. Let me use one of them. Let's use Bloom 104. Bloom 104. The new
Sorry, sir.
quantity.
Where are you? Where? Sorry, sir. Where are
Okay, I'm
you?
listening.
Where are you selecting from? It's quite blank from my screen. I'm just seeing the items appearing.
Okay, you just saw them appearing. Okay. You know that after selecting my opening balance equity, I
Yes.
come to item. I
Yes.
click on item inside this box, first box here, and I
Yes.
click B because I want to select
Blue.
Bloom BL00.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
You get it?
You went off. You just got back up.
I should come again.
You went off. You just go back.
Okay. Should I come again now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you select opening balance equity as the adjustment account. Then you click on item BL00. It will take me to all the items. Or you click on the drop down. You select the item. Do you understand?
Okay.
Are you there?
Yes, I'm with you, sir.
Okay, now the quantity. Let me check the quantity on hand. You have 24. So select 24. Can you see? Then you select save and close. But you are doing all the items. You don't need to be doing them one by one. Let me do the remaining ones. Bloom 102. Let me even start from Bloom 101. But the challenge is some of them, the prices are not there. I have to go and update. And I don't want to do that. No, this is just for
So,
training purpose. 24.
but if you want to update prices,
I've shown you that. Have you forgotten? I should
oh, that
go
was,
back again.
let's finish this one, sir. So sorry, sir.
Let's finish this one. So make sure you complete all the items here. Bloom 104, all the items. Do their opening balance quantity first and you save. That means you
Okay.
do it at once. Not that you'll be doing them one by one. No. I've selected Bloom now. Assuming I want to bring in aroma, just
Okay.
select aroma.
Okay.
You select the quantity you are bringing in. 48.
You've gone off, sir. Hello, sir.
Do you get that?
You're back now, sir. Hello, sir.
Ah,
Hello,
So I
sir.
said, assuming you want to do for all your items, the list you sent to
Yes,
me,
sir. Yes.
from this one off window, you just select
Upload it.
everything and put their quantity the way you are seeing it here now.
Yes, yes.
You now say save and close. That is all. That means you have
So,
brought in all the quantity. To change
yes.
price, come to item and services.
Yes. Okay.
You select the item. Let me look at this one. Battery bin, 13 liter. Double click on it. Okay, the cost price is there already. Let me see. Okay, the cost price is there. Yeah. Let's look for item that does not have price. Blanket velvet, 120 by 200. So let's look at the price. Blanket velvet. Let me control find. Blanket. From the new list you sent to me, I can't find blankets there. Hello?
Is the blanket the updated
The inventory.
yeah, is the
So that means, okay, I've seen it. I've seen it. Flannel blanket velvet, right?
yeah.
120 by 200. Okay, let me put the description. So that's it. Then the price is cost prices. Then the selling price 25,000. 25,000.
Okay, sir. So the Excel sheet that is uploaded here, it's
Yeah.
the 4 bar one.
You said?
I think
Please,
The
did you
Excel
get my
sheet,
message?
the Excel sheet that is uploaded here that we
Yeah.
are working
It's the
with, so
former one.
is the former one.
Yes.
Okay. So we now
I
need
know, I
to
know, I know. I've looked for, I didn't see.
so we now need to
You said?
update. We now need to
What
update
about
it.
10 rows?
You need to update it. If you want me to help you update it,
And yeah, sorry.
let me, if you want to update it,
So why not just remove that? Why not delete the former Excel and upload the new one?
okay, I think we should delete the former one and now put this.
Or upload, yes, sir, so that it will make everything easier.
Easier. But you will still need to bring in your quantity. That one cannot, that one is the way I showed you. That's the only way for that one.
Yes, sir. All right, sir.
But to bring out the inventory list, the cost price and everything, I can do that for you now. Do you understand now?
All right, sir.
So now, to change your cost and your selling price is very simple. Just come to the item and inventory and edit it. That is all. To bring in inventory balance, either for opening
No
balance,
problem. If you have that one, so no problem.
either for new company setup or for cost price, I mean quantity adjustments due to cost inventory counts. Just come to inventory and select adjust quantity slash value on hand. That's all. So are we through on that now? Hello?
Yes, sir. We
Hello?
can. We can go ahead.
Okay. So now that is that. If you are refunding a customer, you use this. You are generating statements. This one we don't need it. Creating invoice, maybe for profiled customers or registered customers. You are given a quote, you can use this. Sales order, you use this. That is under customers center here. Then for vendor, you already know how to, you may not use purchase order, or maybe you want to get contract, you must send purchase order. Maybe a customer said, okay, they are sending PO to you. You can create it down here. Then later you convert it to inventory. But the one I showed you is receive inventory with bill. After that, you pay bill. That's all for vendor. So if you need comprehensive training on the usage for accounting or bookkeeping purpose, later you can let me know. So the area we've covered so far now is what you actually need for the sake of point of sales usage. But if it is comprehensive training, let me know later so that we can schedule time. So it will not be, you will not be in a rush, or maybe I can send you videos to watch for that later.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. So
Do I
now
have
let's
any
move to, you said, okay. So now let's move to what is it called? Ultra viewer or any desk. So that I can help you to bring in this one to update the inventory record. So which system are we using now? This very one. Which one is this for any desk? Hello? Hello?
Let's use the front X. This, not this one, but this, but the front X.
Okay, the front desk system. Okay, I think I get the number. The number is
I'm coming.
1660, abi. So I've clicked on it. So you can accept.
Front X or
Yes, I've.
okay. All
Which
right.
one is okay?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I have accepted, sir.
Okay. Let me just minimize this. So are you logging in now? Okay. MB owns. Tayo. Put off the inverter. Put it off. Accept.
Yeah, I've done that.
Okay. Accept. Now, hello, hello.
I'm with you, sir.
Okay, these your inventory items. Do they have categories?
What do you mean by category, sir?
Okay, now if you go through this Excel sheet, I have some Bloom 101 to Bloom. Let me check. Up to Bloom 317. They are kind of a similar items. So under what can we categorize them? We have camping blankets and so on like that. So how do you categorize them? Or you don't use category?
Decor pieces.
You said?
Decor pieces. Decor pieces.
Okay, all of them are decor. This is right.
Decor pieces.
Okay, no problem. Let's. So now the inventory is updated. The
All right,
next
sir. Yeah,
thing
I
now
can
is
see.
to
Thank
go
you,
and
sir.
you said.
The next thing is to update the quantity.
Do you get that?
Can you come again? You went off.
No, I said let me do few. Then you will do the remaining. You continue from there. Let me
Few
just show
of.
you how it's done. It is done.
Sorry, sir. Come again, sir. I don't get that, sir.
Okay, I said, let me, you said it remains quantity, inventory quantity.
Yes, sir.
So, and I said, let me just do few of them. Then you now continue from there.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, to update the inventory, then you come to inventory. Let me check here. 'Let's select yesterday as the closing date. 48. Battery bin, 16 liter, 16 that's one. Thirteen L. One. Bin 101. 18. 102. 24. So can you continue from here?
All right.
No,
I believe you will see, you will not close this window. You just continue like that. If you look at it, you see that I have arranged it in ascending order. So just arrange yourself your own like that, or maybe I should just forward it to you.
Yeah, just forward it to me. So I'll be checking to update the.
Okay, let me highlight the ones I have done in blue. So let me do 103 for you to see. Then 103. Also 24. So now you continue from here. When you finish, just say save and close. Are you
All right.
there?
Yes, I'm with you, sir.
Okay, when you finish, just click on save and close. That's all. User, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Let me click on it. Look at, you change it, but switch to multi-user. That is when you finish this.
All right, sir.
Okay. So let me now send you the ones I've done.
I said it is funny to me, and he kept on saying what struck me, and I find it very, very, very. I feel like it's respectful. It's okay.
So I've sent it to you via WhatsApp. So I believe you can call it a day now.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
So we have to be changing that quantity based on what we sell, or immediately we sell it will reduce.
No. It doesn't work that way. See, I explained the other time. I said the reason why we don't have inventory without we don't have business without inventory adjustments. The only instance we go there is like a new company like this, just setting up. You are bringing in your inventory into the system. You have to use that inventory adjustment to bring in your quantity, the quantity you have at hand. One. Another situation where you can use it is maybe you do your stock count at the end of the month. It depends on when you do your stock count, maybe year-end stock count. You now discover that the physical quantity you have is different from what you have in the system. Then you have to do adjustments. Fine, you will do your investigation first. Why is the difference? Why is the variance? Is it as a result of theft or maybe damage? Or maybe error from supplies and all that. So if you are able to ascertain the reason, then you can now go ahead and do adjustments. If you look
Okay,
at this,
sorry, sir. Sorry. What about in case where we restock and we have more?
when you restock, you don't need to go to that place. I've demonstrated that before. You just go to receive inventory. Maybe I should show you that one again.
Oh yeah, yeah, from the supplier.
Yes, from the supplier. Immediately you buy from the supplier, you go to receive inventory. Let's go there.
Okay.
Let me see. I'm coming. Let me see if I can. Okay. So are you there?
Also, sir, the password for the kini you can help us send
I
it
will
to
send
us.
every I will send everything to you.
All right, thank you, sir.
Then your supervisor can always change it later.
Okay, sir.
But I will forward everything. The admin, supervisor, and the front desk.
So the
Either your
things we
manager,
have to
supervisor, or
review,
anybody
like
that
we
is in
have to
charge.
write
I always do the
manually.
change.
We want to print out all the invoices now. Please tell me
You
that.
said?
The
Okay.
sales we have to put like write manually. We want to print out all the receipt invoice now.
Oh, good. Thank you. Thank you for that question. I'm supposed to show you that. We have to check your reports, your sales, or maybe you want to print the invoices, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. The printer is there. Maybe we will still connect back to um, any desk later, that remote desktop. Maybe I should demonstrate that to you. I think this guy, I showed him the other day. We did it together. I showed him how to print, and the thing printed out correctly. I've done the setup for that for small printouts, that thermal printer. If you want to print on big, um, let's say big printer, then you can choose another template, which is part of what I demonstrated the other time. So now let me show you how to add inventory. If you want to add inventory, you want to buy from vendor, just click on this, receive inventory with bill. Once you do that, then you select the vendor, like this person now. If the vendor is not here, you click on add new, you add the vendor's name. And once you do that, you select the item you want to buy here. Do you understand? Assuming you are buying this item now, you select it. Once you select it, it will show here, then you put the quantity you are buying. So that's all. So once you do that,
Save and continue.
yes, save and close or save and new. So once you do that, your inventory will be updated for purchases.
Alright,
And the system will go there to add it immediately to the quantity
alright,
you have on hand.
alright, sir.
So now to check your reports of sales, come to reports,
Sorry,
click
I'm
on
not
report.
following, sir. Where is the report, sir?
This at the top here.
Okay. This is record. Reports. Okay, reports.
This is reports. Okay, maybe I should demonstrate one. Let me see. I think I've sold one item before. Let me check. Okay, I've recorded some sales before. Okay, good. So now, assuming you want to check your reports now, you want to check reports, come to this place, then come to sales. Sales by customer detail or sales by item detail. You can use either of them. Look at it here, sales by item. You can see aroma diffuser on the 29th. This is the invoice number 2. We sold to Mr. Tunde how many? 5.
You can bring the printer.
At the rate of 25,000 naira, we sold 5 for 125,000. Then there's another item we sold, test data, sales receipts, number 1, on the 19th. Test, the one we used to do the testing when we were setting up the printer. So this is the sales report. From here, you can change
Hold that
the
printer.
dates. Do you
Yes, I
understand
know.
now?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, from here now, you can change the dates. You can say all, or you can say custom. When you say custom, you can now set the date range of the report that you want to view. You can say from 1st of December to till date. Then you refresh, then it will show you the reports. So that is your
Okay.
sales report. You can show it by item or by customer. Let's look at by customer. Come to reports, sales, by customer detail. So that means it will bring out the customer's name, then all what you sold to that customer. And this one is good for situation whereby you want to know the customer's balance. You
Alright,
can
sir.
see customer Mr. Tunde, then customer test. These are the items you sold to them. You can select the date range. You can say last month, or let's say this month, or this fiscal year. You have enough filter here that you can use. You have enough option to filter your reports.
But why is
So
it, sorry, sir? Why is it bringing Divas Interiors Design instead of MB Interiors Design?
no, I will do this one as a video and send to you to check, or maybe I will send a link to you on YouTube for you to be checking it. You understand? And it's not good that I put your name there. It's against the rule. You understand? For me to use your company's name. This is my own. This is my own software. Your own is
Oh,
there.
okay.
You
Okay.
understand? Do you understand now?
I get it.
This
I
one, you are what you are seeing is my own system.
Yeah,
Can
I
we put
get
the
it now.
prices?
I get it.
Can we do that, please?
The prices. It
Yes.
has been updated by the way.
No, no, no. Like what we sold out, what we sold that we wrote
We do not
manually,
generate receipts. You have to not generate the
and
receipt
that's what I'm
for each.
saying.
They will not generate the receipt for
I didn't get it.
each report.
I didn't get that.
It's teaching you that already.
Yeah, you can ask.
Oh, okay. You are not there.
Hello,
Okay.
sir.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
So the sales that we've made,
Yeah.
that we've recorded, like with
Manually.
physical pen and papers.
Okay.
Now, you want it to reflect now.
Okay. You recorded it on the paper, and you now want it to
Yeah.
reflect in the system, Abi.
Yes, sir.
Ah, no, that one is simple. It's two ways.
So
Let me
I
explain. Are
was
you listening?
I was thinking that so for each sales, we'll try to generate receipt for each. Then after generating the receipt for each sales, then we'll go to reports to check the sales that was made.
Yes, you can always do that, but you don't even need to do that.
Okay.
Automatically, anything you record in the system, it has been saved. Once you click on
Yeah,
save report.
what I'm talking about is those ones before now we've made sales and we recorded them with pen and paper.
Oh, you now want to bring it into the system, Abi?
You now want to bring it into the system.
Don't forget the quantity you want to bring in now is as at yesterday. If you want to do that, you will do plus and minus. You will do some accounting work on your Excel. You will determine which time do you want to bring in into the system, which which date range of your sales do you want to bring in. Then you will now look at what quantity you add it to uh today's quantity on hand. That is the quantity you will bring in, so that by the time you are now selling it, you look as if by the time you are now posting those previous period
So we'll
sales.
kind of backdate it,
Yes, you will backdate them,
the
and
sales.
the inventory that were available as at then must also be added to the today's quantity on hand.
So I get it, sir. So the inventory that was available as at then,
Hmm.
the inventory that was is only one sales, like one kilo we've made. We've not restocked. So it's
Okay,
the same inventory.
okay, it's just one item that you sold. What
Not
date
one
is it?
item, not one item. We've sold several items
Okay, okay,
with different dates.
different dates. I know. Do you know? It's very simple. Now you can determine the items you want to bring in. The sales started from which date exactly
Started
from your
from
record? From your
20
record,
of 20th of this month.
20th of December. Good. Now your inventory list.
19th of December, sorry.
Okay,
You
19th
understand?
of December. Good.
Yes, sir.
You know what you are going to do? You know your quantity, but as of today, all those sales,
Mm,
if you those things you have recorded down that from 19 till yesterday that you sold, the
yes, sir.
quantity you will add it to the quantity you have in this Excel. For instance, if you on the 19 you sold Bloom, let me look at that your inventory list.
Now, don't worry. The quantity I sent to you,
Uh,
the quantity I sent to you, the quantity that
yeah,
we are updating now,
it's as at
are
when
as at when we
19,
opened,
as at
before we
19,
made
right?
sales. Yes,
Before
sir.
you make
Before we made,
sales,
yes,
then you
sir.
don't have problem. You
So
don't
we
have
don't
any
have
problem.
to
You
addition
don't
and
have
subtraction.
calculation. You don't have
Yes,
calculation
yes,
problem. So this is what you will
yes.
do. Let me now show you an example. Now on the 19, what did you sell? Just
So
come
we
to this.
sold we sold uh-huh.
Don't worry. Let's use as an example. Just come to
Okay.
create sales receipts.
Yes,
You
yes. I
come
was
to
thinking
create
that
sales
this is what we'll
receipts.
do too.
Come to create sales receipt. What's the name of that customer?
The customer would not have name here.
Okay, let me just put one name. Let me
Different.
just put Mr. Shola
Mr.
Abi.
Shola.
Assuming you sold to
Yes, sir.
Mr. Shola. Eh?
Yeah.
Shola.
Yes, sir.
Now you say okay. Where did they pay to? Zenith Bank.
Zenith Bank. Yes.
You select Zenith Bank.
The first person's name.
You select
Yeah.
your this one now. You know you are not generating receipts. It's past previous day sales. So whether
Yes.
you select your the right template or not, it doesn't matter. The system will still
Yes.
record it. But the
Yes.
purpose of selecting this MB interior receipt is because of
Is
that
to
your printer.
reflect the MB. Yes, the
Yes, so
template.
that you can reflect on that printer. You can generate
Yes, sir.
receipts. That
Yes,
small
sir.
receipt, which
Yes,
this one
sir.
has been configured for. So now you select the mode of payments. Is it
Transfer.
transfer?
Yes.
I believe you can do this one by yourself. Just
Yes,
come to
I.
this arrow, click on add new payments, create POS, create transfer. I didn't create on your own. You understand now? So if it is transfer, you select transfer and you just say done. Now, what's the name of the item on the 19th?
Chloroquine item convey.
You see now, I've forgotten. You select dates. Date is very
Uh,
important. You know, it's previous, you are posting backlog now. So, date is very important. Select the dates 19
see,
12 2025.
19th. Yes.
Yeah. So, what's the name of the item?
Chloroquine item convey.
I don't know what this girl said for 10,000 naira.
Or maybe I should just,
Bloom 101.
okay, Bloom 101. So, you select the Bloom 101. You can see now from my own, you know, I didn't bring in quantity. So, it's showing me
Yes.
that on hand is what? Zero. So the way I set it is the same way I set your own to up. If you don't have quantity on hand, you will not be able to record that sales until you go and
So
check
I
your
have to
code.
upload the quantity first.
You have to update all your quantity.
All
As at
right.
that
Then after
19,
updating,
are
after
you with
updating,
me? Hello?
yes, sir. I'm
Don't
with
choose
you, sir.
29. Don't choose 28 that I used for the training.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Select 19th
Yes, sir.
because you said that inventory is at 19. So select 19th. You understand?
Yes,
So
sir.
that every sales you are recording from 19, blah, 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 will be able to go. It will fly. Because if you choose yesterday's day 28 and you want to post backlog of on the 19th, it will not go. It will be telling you that as at that date you did not have quantity on hand, so you won't be able to post your previous sales.
But
I believe you
so
understand that
I have a
concept.
question now. The quantity and the for the quantity and the inventory we sent, it has we posted it as today's date.
Okay, have I
So
posted
if
them? I have not.
you've
I
not,
was posting them. Just change that date from that 28th to
so I'll
19th.
backdate it to 19.
Yes, that inventory adjustment I was working on that I said you should
Yes,
complete.
yes,
Change it to
yes.
19. So that by the time
All
you
right.
want to post all your backlog
All these
of
ones, it will now
yes, all these
it will
ones,
now fall in.
it will be able, yes, it will be able to fly.
All right, sir. I get that, sir.
All right.
So after doing this sales receipt, generating receipt for them individually for the sales.
Yes.
So
Yeah, all this stuff,
after
yeah.
doing all, they are now go to report to
Yes.
generate
To
the
run your report. Yes. If
yes.
you come to report, let me now show you. You come to report, sales. Which one do you normally use? Is it your sales by customers? Detail. You select this. This one is usually
Sales
is more. You
is it not
understand?
is sales by items now?
Okay, you
Abi?
prefer no, is this by customer is more, some customers have different sales, some they pay, some they are owing. So sales by
Okay.
customer is more predominant than sales by item, though you can use sales by item either way. You understand?
No, I
But
have
let's
their
just
name.
you
All right,
said
sir. Sales by customer. Sales by customer.
it will arrange it by customers names. This Mr. Tunde,
Then
now
we
if you
can
have
now
10
print.
items for different dates, it will show them here. You understand?
All right, sir.
So now let's this month to date, that's December. So this is all our sales.
Okay,
For
generate
instance,
envelope.
you now click here, you say you want to send it to Excel so that you can view it, maybe for presentation or something. So you click on this drop down for Excel. You say create new worksheets.
Come on, they need the Wi-Fi back. The
Do you
point
see it?
one.
So I did not see it, sir. Can you come again, sir?
Wi-Fi
Okay,
Matolo. Come again. Come for you.
okay. Now we have
Maybe
selected the date range now from reports. You remember from reports,
come and
sales
do
by customer detail. Then
Yes.
customer this month to date. Then now, you now go to Excel here. Click on this drop down arrow. Click on create new worksheet. Is that clear?
Yes, create new worksheet.
Yes. Create new worksheets.
So it will
You,
automatically carry me to Excel. It will bring the report to Excel.
yes, it will take you to Excel. Let me click on this one so that it can.
So if you want to print on normal paper now, so we can print from Excel directly.
If you want to print on normal paper, you mean this very one. You will send
Yes.
to you can if you want to print on normal paper, just come here. This is
Okay.
prints. Do you
Then
understand
select.
now?
Yeah.
If you click on prints, say reports, you can see you now select the printer that you want to
I
use.
cannot. I cannot see the printer,
Okay.
but it's
It's
fine.
not
I'll
showing you
just.
my,
Yeah, it's not showing me. It's
it's
not
not
showing
showing
me.
you. Okay, but if you click on prints,
Yes, sir.
click on reports, it will bring out the print report window. Then you now select the printer you are using. That one is very simple. Maybe I will use okay, let's connect to any desk and use your own system to demonstrate that. But you have not recorded any sales, so we still can't
No,
use it.
I've not. We still
Uh,
can because I've not even done the quantity first.
okay.
I will have to do the quantity, finish up with the quantity, then
Okay.
record the previous sales
Okay.
and generate
So
the
to
report.
print, just click on print and
Yeah,
click on
I'll
either
follow the
save as
prompt.
PDF or report. Report will take you straight to your printer page. If you save
Yes.
as PDF, it will still take you there. Then you select the PDF format. Then you from there you can now print on your printer.
All right, sir.
But if you want to take it to Excel, just click on this, create new worksheets. Then you say exports. Once you say export, you select the where you want it to store, whether on your desktop. Let me select desktop here. So you put the file name, sales reports. You can say sales reports. Are you seeing it?
I'm not seeing it, but I'm with you, sir.
Okay, sales report 29/12/2025. Sales report as at 29/12/2025. You now say save. You click on save. Then it will take you to Excel straight.
I can even print from there, sir.
And you
Anyhow.
can print from there also.
Yeah, yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So
So
now,
do all right,
I
sir.
think that's all for now, right?
Yes. If I have any question, I'll come to your DM.
All right, no problem.
Thank you so much, sir.
All right, thank you.
System got to know me. We're
So,
going to continue inventory and then.
so we can call it a day, right?
All right, sir. Yeah, thank you,
All
sir.
right. Yeah,
Do you
okay.
have any other question, Madam MB? Madam
So,
MB?
madam, do you have any question?
No, like,
She doesn't.
Okay, all right, thank you.